Morning, guys. It is June 3rd, 2020. This one here, I gotta go do an annual on a couple of air conditioners. They usually got mice or chipmunks at this place. They usually chew all the wires on the unit, so we'll have to go by there and check that, make sure that's not an issue, check the filters and get it up and running, see if it needs a maybe top off the charge or something. We'll check it when we get there. System's been in about 5 years, I guess. 5-6 years, something like that. We'll try to get you some shots when I get there, see if we can catch any of the little critters. See if we can catch any of the, I think last year I put some mothballs inside the unit, so I don't know if that's going to work or not. I've heard they work, but we'll find out. If there's critters in there, obviously the mothballs aren't working. So we'll see. See if we can catch a live critter. See if we can catch a live critter, y'all. Get you some shots. Filter's fine. Been 5 years already, wow.
What's 5 years?
5 years since we put it in.
Oh.
Time goes by, it's 15. I mean, it's 2020. Been 5 years.
Oh, that's fun, Steve.
I wonder if there's any mice in there. I think we put mothballs in there. We'll see how that works. The chipmunks or mice, I think they were chipmunks, weren't they?
Could be. Chipmunks are all over here.
You're not sure what it is. I don't know if it's mice. I think it's more chipmunks.
Chipmunks are all over here. My wife keeps teasing them off the bird feeder. She's on the porch, you know.
A lot of chipmunks?
Oh yeah, got them chipmunks. They go right up there.
Oh, they're red squirrels or chipmunks?
Huh?
They're chipmunks or red squirrels?
No, they're chipmunks.
Chipmunks.
I've been tempted to go out and buy a pellet gun.
Really? Yeah. You even running these systems?
Well, in the summer, yeah. Since last, when the hell was it? September, October?
Yeah, they don't seem dirty, so that's good. Well, we'll take the units apart outside and we'll check them, make sure that they're clean before and then we'll run each one and check the charge.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Because we know
hey,
you got bats in the belfry over here.
We got what?
You got bats in the belfry.
What the hell are you talking about?
Well, you know you got critters out there that been.
The critters on the outside.
Yeah, the critters on the outside unit. We'll see if they're around anymore.
Yeah.
So one here.
Live, what is it?
It's a mouse.
A mouse?
Yeah.
Get him.
Huh?
Is he still alive?
Yeah, he's right there. He's gone. He's on the capacitor. See him?
No, I can't see him. I'll take your word for it.
It's a flipping mouse. Son of a bitch.
Step on him.
I ain't gonna kill him.
You're not.
I got morals. Little bugger.
That's what he's gonna eat it.
I wonder if
All
he.
my stuff.
I don't look like he chewed any wires. I'm not gonna be too happy about me ruining his house, though. Oh, there he goes. I just kicked him out. I just kicked him out. He wasn't too happy about that. You don't seem to be chewing too much here. Oh, look at the mothballs. I guess they didn't work. Little bugger. I wonder how he's getting in. I've got the disconnect off there, so it's got to be coming in somehow. Well, I guess that didn't work. Have to go to plan B.
Hey, I'm back. I hear you talking. I can't hear what you say, but I was talking about that.
He didn't chew any wires, little bugger.
What's that?
He didn't seem to chew any wires up. Well, maybe a little bit. Yeah, he kind of did chew a little bit. We're going to clean some of this up. Believable. So, 54, wet bulb, 7 degrees superheat. A little low here. There's our superheat right there at 7. There we go. Alright, this one worked. I don't see any mice in this one. Looks like the mothballs worked on this side. Didn't see any wires chewed, so this one worked. Run this one and check this one out. The other side, not so much. Yeehaw! I don't see any chewing going on here, so we'll put it on and check it. He's going to turn this one on, we'll check it. No mice. Let it run for a bit, see what happens, see if it stabilizes out. This will start coming back up.
Okay, it should be on. I can hear it.
Yeah, it's on. We're going to add a little juice. The superheat's a little higher than I like. That's better. So we want 7. final right there.
I don't mind scrimmaging.
That's perfect right there. Good with that. Should be good. No mice in this one.
Well, that's good.